Okay, so yesterday we created booking. Okay, we price, we did the pricing, we update all the information and services which passenger required. Okay, now we'll proceed with reissue. Okay, if you see here, the ticket was issued, then it was voided, then it was issued again. Okay, okay. Dubai Bahrain LHR. If I do display India enter, okay, the date was 27 October, correct? Now passenger is asking you, I don't want to go on 27 October, I want to go on 30 October. Okay, so what your entry will be, first you will remove these segments. Itinerary you have to remove because he is not planning to travel on these dates. Okay, and you have to book the new date. You have to book new date. I will tell you, you write it later. Okay, because traveler is not traveling on this date, he needs a new date which is 30 October. Okay, keep in your mind, sometime agent passenger might ask you that just check 30 October, just check how much is the difference of fare. If it is within my range, I might change the date. Okay, so in that scenario you remove these segments but you don't save it. If you save it these segments, you will lose these segments. Okay, so if he says, when did I ask you to cancel, then there will be a problem. So always remember this. Okay, so when I'm doing xi will remove both sectors, or I can do x1 hyphen 2. Please, no problem. Okay, x1 hyphen 2 or xi also you can do. Xi will remove all, x1 hyphen 2 will do the same entry. Okay, so I entered. If I do display India now, there is no itinerary. What I will do now, I will update the new dates. For that I have to do what? Yes, 30 October DXB LHR cross Confirm. Okay, so I'll take Yankee class from line number 1. So 011 passenger only. Cell 1 Yankee class from line number 1. Display. You know why display, right? Because it's connecting, so it will take both sectors. I pressed enter. It took, remember it is SS1, means I have not yet ended the PNR, so these seats are still not confirmed. Like it's holding the seats, it's holding the booking, but yet it's not confirmed. Okay, when I did, okay, now if I do display alpha, it will show me the whole PNR. Okay, see, still SS1. Now I'm doing display tango enter. This is the ticket number. Okay, if I do WETR display 3, WETR display 3 you can do, and you can also click this number 3. But as I said, if by mistake you click this, you might void the ticket. So make a habit of retrieving your ticket with this entry, WETR display 3. Press enter. When I open the ticket image, it is telling me that you have a confirmed ticket for 27 October. Okay, now I have to do now reissue entry. Okay, you see this is the ticket number. Okay, this is the ticket number. So I have two options. Either I can do WFR and the full ticket number 5768744704. Okay, cross Alpha Gold Father. Or I can also do this Water Father Romeo, Tango Romeo.
The ticket will get issued.
I'll tell you what will happen. TR3. Yeah. This is a shortcut form. This is the full entry, WFR full ticket number. But if you notice here, I only updated WFR TR3. See, when I do display Tango, which ticket I am reissuing?
Third one.
Line number is what?
3.
WFR TR3. Line number 3. Shortcut. You don't have to put everything. This is much better because if you have multiple passenger, for example, this ticket is for first passenger. This ticket is ending with number 4. Second passenger ticket number is ending with 5. And you know, if you have 2 passenger, you have to specify the name number also, right? Like this, Cross Nancy 1.1. You have to specify the name also. If you have more passenger, if you have 1 passenger, no need to enter. Okay, let's say, God forbid, by mistake. Okay, if you entered this passenger ticket number ending with 5 to number 5, this is ending with 4. As I said, number 5 belongs to passenger number 2. If you update number 5 instead of number 4, system will take ticket details of second passenger and it will take details of name from 1.1. So it will mess your ticket. Yeah, Saber will not tell you that you are doing it wrong. You will not get any prompt. So this is the best entry. Mr. Ravi, how are you? Very busy.
In 1.1, if it multitask.
If it is multitask, yeah. If it's only 1 passenger, not an issue. Then you can even do this entry without any name number. Okay? This far you are clear, right? It's clear.
If the passenger is 3, 4, also in 1.1.
No. Then if it's for second passenger, N 2.1. If for 3 passenger, 3.1. One by one you have to do.
Oh, one by one.
See, this ticket, in your booking you must be having 5 passenger.
Yeah.
Okay? But how many tickets you will be having?
1 ticket.
5, no? How one? For 1 passenger, 1 ticket. If there are 5 passenger, 5 tickets. So each time you have to do this entry and tell system. This is for name 1.1. This is for name 2.1. Like that. For example, see, your ticket line number is starting with number 2. Number 2 is for first passenger. Okay. So if you have 5 passenger, you will be having 6 lines. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 2 will be for first passenger.
Yeah.
3 will be for second passenger. So if you are reissuing ticket number 2, what name number you will put?
Issue?
If you are reissuing for the first passenger, you are reissuing a ticket. So cross N, what you will put?
1.1.
For second passenger, 2.1. If you make a mistake in the ticket line, if you want to issue first passenger but you updated wrongly second passenger ticket number, and you, in the end you put cross 1.1, Saver will reissue the ticket, but it will be wrong. That's why this short entry is recommended. It will save your time as well as your life. You will not face any problem. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Now this part you clear. Okay. Now excuse me. Sorry. Hello. Sure. Tanya pada yang lalu bukan kamu. Oh, yes, yeah. Okay, okay. It's not the job. Just check it. Like even I told you to how you see and check it out. I don't imagine I class here no which one. Ah, and I check it out. I think that yeah, Gaurav. Pending TV वाला दिलाने वाला pending वाला काम pending होगा payment सब आपका मिल जाएगा you can have any business on the conservative of that how is that house हाँ अच्छा भाई यहाँ वो चलिए और किधर नहीं मिलेगा वो नहीं मिलेगा Hello. Yes. Huh? Huh? Okay. And then the reason for it? Ah, okay. So ഇത് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും രക്ഷയില്ല ഒരാഴ്ച കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ മതി എന്നാ രജിസ്ട്രേഷൻ വന്നത് ആ ഓക്കെ ഒരു 1 വീക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം 1 വീക്ക് പോകുന്നത് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പക്ഷേ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ചോദിക്കുന്നത് എന്തായിരുന്നു നിങ്ങളുടെ ഇത് ഏത് കമ്പനി എന്റെ എക്സ്പ്രസ് ഡിഗ്രി എന്റെ എക്സ്പ്രസിന്റെ സൈറ്റിൽ പോകും എന്റെ എക്സ്പ്രസിന് ഓക്കെ Okay, so because there is only one passenger, I'm not putting cross Nancy 1.1. I'm just pressing enter.
I'm going to put this one also because of our.
You can put. You can put. You can put. Better you put. It's better you put. Okay. Now it's giving me this mask. If you notice, these are the segments which were on your ticket image. Okay. 27 October. Dubai, Bahrain, Bahrain LHR. These two segments were in your ticket image. This information is not from your booking. So system is having a bracket asking you to put an input. So your input will be X-ray, X-ray in both.
Once we enter this entry, we'll get this mask.
Correct. And this mask you will get the ticket details, and you will get this two brackets. So you have to put X in both bracket, X in the next.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
When you will press enter,
Okay.
it will take you to the next page.
Okay.
If you see here,
Means
this detail under exchange,
yes.
this detail is from your original ticket. From your original ticket. Okay. Your original base fare was 1120 and with taxes of 615, 1735 was your total ticket value.
So just keep that receipt with you. And once the passenger exits from the channel, you just forward that receipt to release your payment and be clear.
And if you see here, you have a new amount. Exactly, this is the new segment detail. So it's picking up 3380 is your base fare. Correct, because I took higher class. So here my reissue difference of fare is 2260. Okay, now in this change fee amount, what fare rules? Yeah, you have to check the fare rules. You have to check the fare rules. How much penalty is? How much is the reissue charge? You will update here. For example, in this case, it's 100 dirham. Okay.
For getting this mask only, we need to check that fare.
Yes, better. Okay, now collect fee as tax. Whatever is the tax code. For example, XP, I've updated. I will update the tax code. Airline usually gives. Airline gives. GDS won't give. Like if you'll call Sabre, they will not give you.
Different from
Airline to airline. Okay, now I've updated penalty. I've updated the tax code. Either you can collect penalty as a tax code or total. Some airline might ask you to collect this on total. Okay, collect this as total. So what it will do, this 100 dirham will add up to this amount. So you will get 2360. Collect fee is tax?
Yeah.
Now see, most of the time, airline asks you to collect penalty as a tax, as an additional tax. I'll show you. See, I'm putting X in tax comparison. I'm pressing enter. Okay, it is taking me to a mask. Now, if you see, these are the taxes. Okay, for this particular routing. Okay, on your left hand, it's your original ticket taxes. On your right hand, it's the new ticket booking taxes. Okay, if I put A in additional taxes, enter. Okay, these are the taxes. Now airline might ask you that collect this penalty as a CA tax or XP tax. So that will be added over here. But you can add it in the main mask.
The reissue charge will collected in the form of tax.
Correct. See, 100 I have updated XP here, right? If I put X in next, this will be added to the mask, additional tax mask. Sometime airlines say don't collect this as a tax, just collect this in total. So you can put X in total.
Just X in tax.
X in total, nothing else. This will be added up to the total amount. Okay. And remember I was telling you about EMD. Sometime airline will ask you don't collect as a tax, don't collect as a total, create a EMD. EMD, as I said, is called electronic miscellaneous document. When you issue the EMD, the penalty goes to the airline system. They will know with the reissue ticket number. They will tell you reissue the ticket without penalty, issue EMD. So when you are issuing EMD, you will put this reissue ticket number as a reference. So it will go to their system. It varies from airline to airline. Okay. Okay. One more thing. If you are not updating any, suppose I'm updating penalty here. Okay. I'm updating penalty here. But I'm not updating the tax code. I'm not updating the collect fee in total. I'm just putting X in next and enter. You see here, retain previous is here. Retain previous. You will get one more bracket over here with EMD. Okay. If you and here it should be ticket because I have not assigned my printer. That's why it's not coming. It's not coming. Accent ticket also shows here. So if you put accent ticket enter, it will. I'll show you. One minute. I'll show you. See now ticket is here. Okay. If I don't put, if I only update the amount, penalty amount, but no tax code, no X in total, it will create here issue EMD. One bracket will be here with X. If I put X in ticket, X in EMD and enter, it will reissue ticket. It will issue EMD automatically. So you don't have to do anything. Automatically it will issue. Okay. So this is how you can reissue the ticket. You understood the logic, right? Clear? Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, now this is a normal scenario which I'm giving you as time goes on. Okay. Once you master this, then you'll be able to, reissue with different scenarios. I'm not going through with the whole scenario. It might be, it might confuse you. So we'll do one by one. Okay, now one passenger is coming and asking you, I want to refund this ticket. I am not traveling. Same entry, WFR TR3 with the airline. RR, earlier what we put?
X.
Now X in the next. I put X in the next. I put RR, X in the next. It took me to this page.
Yes,
Airline, if you want to update, you can update. If multiple passenger, update with name number. So it will, if you put R in the code, X in the next, enter, it will take you to this page. Now if you notice here, amount is in minus. Minus means this much amount passenger is getting back. This was the ticket amount, base fare 1120. 650 was the taxes. This ticket is totally unutilized, so he is getting the full amount, but there is a refund penalty also, which you have to check. In this case, suppose it's 100. I'll show you that also. Okay, 100 is your penalty. You updated 100. If any taxes you want to update, you can by putting X in tax comparison, or just put X in next, enter. 0 in commission, X in refund. It will refund your ticket. Okay, refund is easy. For example, sometime airline might ask you, okay, refund the ticket with 100 dirham penalty, but they might ask you some tax is not refundable. Okay, so you have to put X in tax comparison, enter. Let's suppose they say YQ is not refundable. Remove YQ and update the remaining. So what you will do, you will put X in tax comparison. It will take you to the next mask. Here you will find two options: additional taxes, tax updates. So you put X in tax updates, enter. Move down, remove this YQ. $615 was my total taxes. Just remember this. Put X in next, enter. Now how much I am getting? Simple. Then you remove this X from tax comparison. Put X in next, enter. Okay, 1175. You will put X in refund, it will refund your ticket. Looks okay? Okay. So reissue and refund, you are okay now. Okay, now remember one more thing. Your agency, there are two scenarios of reissue. One is the normal reissuance procedure, which we just did, WFR ticket number. There is one more, it is WFRF, additional F, WFR, again one F. That is guaranteed reissuance. Okay, if you are doing that entry, no need to check penalty, nothing. System will automatically pick. F, yeah, one more F. Rest entry is same. Only one additional F. Automatically it will pick. Everything it will pick automatically. You don't have to check rule and all this, nothing. Automatically it will pick. You just have to put, if airline asks you code, you update the code, X in next, and reissue. But remember, not all, you cannot reissue all the airlines. There are some airlines which we have a list. See, WFRF TR3. Earlier we did W.
WF.
Yes. So one additional F you have to put. No need to check penalty, nothing. It's guaranteed. Everything is guaranteed. Okay, now yes, ticket number or TR, ticket line number. Okay, see, to get this WFRF airline list, you have to go to agency services, which is under community. Okay, agency services. You will get into this page. Here you have to click product. When you click products, you will get this page. You click here, you'll find automated exchanges. Okay, this is called automated exchanges. Okay, so whatever exchanges you are doing, it's automated. Everything system is speaking automatically. Okay, you click support, come down, documentation. You see category 31 carriers. Double click this. These are the airlines. So whenever you are getting a reissuance case, okay, and you are planning to use WFRF, first check the list. For example, in our case it was Gulf Air, so I'm checking. Or you can do Control F. Just write GF. We can reissue with WFRF. Okay, but this is a training PCC. It's not updated here, so that's why. See, it picked up, but okay, here it's saying not applicable. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now here it's picking. A few days back I tried it, was not taking. Okay, now I'll show you the scenario. 1 moment. I'm just changing the date. Yeah, let's check. Okay, 01 Yankee 1. See, difference, it's picking 2260. You remember the first WFR we did, we had to put X in the code, X in the next. Here nothing. Automatically it's taking you to this page. Whatever is your penalty, here there is no penalty, so it is not picking. If suppose in the fare rules, if there was any penalty, it will automatically pick here 300, 400, 500, whatever. Automatically. No, you don't have to check. Nothing. Nothing. And you reissue the ticket. Put X in next, reissue the ticket. But if you see here, it's saying, okay, quit to rebook 1 kilo to 2 kilo, lower fare found. Okay, it's up to you. If you want to take the lower fare, okay, you can do that. But if you say no, I'm okay with this, you put X in next and reissue. It's just giving you a prompt. So WFRF is guaranteed. WFR, you have to manually check everything. In WFRF, no need to check. But the airline should be in the list. Okay, that's the thing. I showed you, community, agency services. In agency services, you will find. I'll show you again from the start. Community, click agency services. It will open up a agency services page, okay, where you will find different options. You have to select products.
On 29th morning, we are recording from Sunday.
Okay, once you click products, under products, you'll find this scroll bar.
From 6 years to 11 years, the price will be 6160, and 2 to 5 years it will be 5670, and inside
Not community.
price charges.
No. Yeah. Under community agency services.
That will be hardly 300 400.
Okay, once you click agency services, it will take you to this page.
Okay.
In this page, you have to click products.
This office is located opposite Garrison.
Under this click here, you'll find automated exchanges.
No, only on Saturday. Yeah.
Okay. When you will click this,
I'll be here from 10 to evening 7.
it will take you to another page. Okay. Where you'll get brief of this product. Okay, here click support, come down, you'll find documentation. The first line is category 31 carriers. Double click that. You can download and keep it with you. You want me to download it for you? I'll copy it to your USB. Okay. It's already there. So whenever you are WFI, yeah. Okay, so you logic is clear. Yes, very good. No need to check rules, nothing. If the airline is there, you can do it. Nothing. Okay. Okay, so now EMD is now automated. So that's why you remember another option which I told you, that if you don't update text code, if you only update amount, don't update text code or XM total, you will get EMD option in the end of the mask. So it will automatically issue your EMD. Okay. So EMD is not, earlier we used to create a mask and then issue EMD, but not now. So that's how EMD works. Okay, one moment. If you say I can show you, but again it will be confusing for you. If it's automatically if it's working, then no need. But remember this point. If I then ask you to issue EMD, okay, you don't have to put text code. No need. X in total, no need. Just put the amount. When you put amount, system will automatically assume that this passenger doesn't want to collect it as a tax, neither total. So it means he want to issue EMD. Automatically EMD mask will create in the background, which you cannot see. Only that X in EMD option will be there. If you put X in ticket, enter, it will reissue and it will issue your EMD as well. Both will issue automatically. No need to do anything else. Okay. So your reissue refund
Okay.
done. Okay, good.
Okay.
So I'll